Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to download and install YouTube Music app in Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. So if you also want to download and install YouTube Music app in Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open a Chromium based browser. You can open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Once you open the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in music.youtube.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube Music. So in order to install the YouTube Music app, what you have to do is look at the top of the browser. If you're using Chrome browser, in the search bar over here, you'll be able to find the icon for install. If you click on it, you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. From here, you'll be able to install the application. What you have to do is click on the install option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the YouTube Music application will automatically open in a separate window. This is the application of YouTube Music. That means YouTube Music application has been downloaded in your PC or laptop. So like this, you'll be able to download and install YouTube Music app on your Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. So that is how you download and install YouTube Music app on your Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.